Alright. I'm ready when you are.
Alright, you should
I am.
start recording. Alright. Yeah, let's start it. 3, 2, 1. 5.
How many maps are there?
1. There's like 5.
They should
Yeah,
add more.
Yeah, they should.
There should also be a way to get characters.
I got Gene, Luke. No, it already looks different to me.
Wait, who's who? Who's who?
I'm Kurt.
I have no idea who I'm being.
Who's the
I have like red hair.
relative?
Oh, there's a green dildo. Can I change my sensitivity? No, you can't. There's no settings.
Look at the first one I died. I got Kurt.
Yeah, I got Anne Marie.
Yeah, I got fucking Sarah.
Alright, come over here.
Her name's just Sarah.
Who the fuck is who? Okay, me and Flavor are the girls.
I'm Gene.
Which one is I'm relative is the one in front, and I'm the one. Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm relative is the one in the.
I think Jane's the one wearing.
He's like orange hair. He's a ginger.
My relative is the black. Is the one with black.
Hey, go across this bridge.
Go black.
Are you guys right behind me? Okay, good. That's good.
Front now, bitch.
Relative, what if we just...
I know. I turned around and you guys are gone. I think I'm leading, and then I get the message that says it's dangerous to go alone.
We all turn
Is there like a
around.
path to follow, or do you just go?
You just
Oh, wait, we're at a cemetery. I bet we're gonna find something.
like
Is it like Slenderman where it gets harder? Oh god, this is another one of those things.
Oh. Going on. Better avoid the green dildo, because then he lures into us.
I swear this
Look how you get. Where'd you guys go? Hello?
Years.
Where are you
Oh
guys?
god,
Oh my god, I get this right on.
where is everybody? I'm over here with Velma.
I don't know. Where are you guys? Like you guys are fucking scrubs. Yeah. Oh my god, he's right there. No.
Relative, turn around, relative.
I will not.
Oh my
Will
god,
I?
I'm gonna die.
He's not even there.
Wait, look at relative's guy, he looks like a fucking old man.
Oh,
Go.
get me out of here. My screen's dying already. Oh my god.
You know what? I'm gonna die. Fuck this. So
We are surrounded by that. Who died already? Look at him. Who ran straight into that thing?
I killed myself, dude.
Oh man.
I didn't know
You
where
guys are following me, right?
going.
Oh god, he's right
Going?
behind us.
Wait, that's the...
What?
Yo, keep your light on. What are you doing? Oh god.
Bastin.
Why?
Oh god, he's right there. Hey, look.
Hey,
This
Blake.
isn't. I don't think this is anything actually. There's nothing. Oh crap. What? Oh crap. What does it mean when you? No, I don't think we died. What does it mean when it says screams at the end of the game?
It means that's how much time you're
How can I control that?
by not looking at him.
Oh god, he's right there.
Get on our
He
left.
is. I'm scared. Oh crap! My 6 isn't me covering anymore.
Dude, shadows in this game are so retarded. Like, they block your flashlight.
Yo, he's gone. Should we go back the other way again? Alright.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
He's there. Oh, he's behind
Oh,
the
no, he
tree.
isn't gone.
He's
He
right
isn't
behind the
gone. He
tree.
isn't gone.
Dude, he's good at hiding.
Sitting at the tree.
He's camping.
Camping. Look at that.
He's oh, dude, he's right there now. Turn around again.
He's
Oh,
camping.
God.
He's camping last. Oh my god. Yo, watch him be behind the tree again. Watch him like shank me and teabag me and run.
Hey, what's white noise?
It's $1. It's fine. It's like Slenderman. Exactly like Slenderman. If this is the same map, there's gonna be another recording over here on these hands or something. Oh, they're dragon heads. There it is. Oh crap, why did I turn that on?
Yo, I hear a radio. Oh! He's behind us. Oh my god.
Let's see. Yeah, where are we going? Why are you running into each other?
You guys look like you're...
Oh! Over there. Watch out.
Oh. What happens if you run too long?
I guess.
Your guy gets
Oh,
tired.
I think there's something over here.
I heard it, but I don't know where it is.
Where are you? Where are you?
Turn your light off so it doesn't find us.
Guys.
Hey, I see him, There he is.
Guys.
Flavor, we're right here. Oh god.
Come here. Come here.
We're coming. Swag-tastic.
Elma, you have a fat nose.
Dude, this is scary. Were we already here?
Lights flashing.
Hey, go over here. Oh god, these things are scary looking.
Oh my god. I think that's the guy.
Oh, there's a tape over here by the faces.
This guy's tongue is pleasured more girls than Roger.
Oh god, he's actually doing this. Are they recording over here? I feel like there should be.
There's one.
Yeah, I feel like there should be one over here.
I'm gonna try to find you guys. and then-
Okay, well, I don't think it's here, so.
Oh my god.
Oh, ow. Scary.
Look at that fucking tongue. Jesus.
Oh, I thought. Can I jump off?
He's right behind us.
Oh!
Okay, like there's someone playing this, dude. He'd be stop.
Who?
Martin.
Oh, yeah.
That play.
Alright. Follow me, and I know.
Dude,
where
I keep
it is.
thinking I see faces in the smoke. We're at a cabin. I don't want to go in there. Ladies first. What? Where are you guys?
We just left him.
Oh, dude, I see him. He got me! Oh, that scared the crap out of me.
There's a team.
I can't believe you did that to me, guys. Yes, I died. I saw him, so I started running, and I barely moved, and he got me. If you're
Oh
looking,
my god, my screen's flashing. I don't
if
know
you're
why.
looking for a recording, there's one in this cabin. Yeah, here it is.
What the fuck? Did the map switch?
God.
Hey, I see one of you. I see your flashlights. Wait, is that your flashlight?
No.
Oh
well,
my God.
flip that.
Can I see your flashlights from far away? Yeah, there you are. Come here. Hey, stop moving. I can't run. Hey, look, Smiles right here. What's that? Alright, come here.
Fuck is he? There's one over here. Oh wait, what the fuck is this shed?
Yeah, it's in the second one. It's not in that one. Yeah.
Yep.
No, that can turn around.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're at
Yeah, the
back.
recording's right here on this. It's on the window. Wait, is everyone dead? But who is that? Who's the last one alive?
Fucking third one.
I know, we're all dead and there's still
Fucking
six,
suck.
5 more. I think you jump in the water, I guess. Hey, there's a bridge. I think this is where we already went.
No, let's follow the river down.
No, there's a dead end over there. We can go this way though.
You know, he's in the bridge. Ah! Fuck!
Game on.
Oh my god, one more.
Are we gonna play again or are we gonna go do something else?